Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in for today's tutorial. If you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for coming back, and if you are new to my channel, thank you for watching my video. Please make sure to click on the subscribe button and also put on the notification bell so you don't miss an upload from me. So for today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to do Genie Ponytail. So for my Genie Ponytail, I used Expression synthetic hair and I cut the hair into two. One is longer than the other. I didn't cut the hair into two equal parts because I want my ponytail to be a little bit long, and I used the longer one, of course.
You make me smile. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place. Can't relate to where I'm going, but I can take it anywhere, you know it. Oh, you make me.
So guys, I didn't show you how I slicked down my 4C natural hair. I don't want this video to be too long. That was why I didn't include that part in this video. But if you want to see how I slicked down my natural 4C hair without using any gel, put a comment down below in the comment section so I can make a video on that. So that's it guys. When I was done pulling the hair, I went ahead to attach the extension onto my pony and I started to braid down like this. It is really easy, really simple to follow through. Even if I don't do a voiceover, it's really easy to follow through. So, and I'm doing a really loose braid. It's not tight at all, it is loose, but you can do anything you want. If you want to do a fishtail or twist or anything, you are free. Feel free to do what you want.
We ain't riding on 22s. We saving our money. We saving our money. Yeah. We be eating ice cream and cake. We going through life like it's our birthday. Riding on 22s. We saving our money. I'm saving our money. Oh, can't relate to what I've been through. So baby, I'm glad I found you. Make me smile. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place. Can't relate to where I'm going.
So guys, when I got to the end of the braid, I just used one of my black rubber band to secure the end, and I cut off the really tiny part of the braid. So to hide my natural hair and to make it look more neater, and also most importantly to give it that genie effect, you know, to make it high, I took a piece of braiding hair and I started wrapping it around the braid I've done, like so. It's so easy, really easy and simple, and you can actually wear this style anywhere. You can wear it to work, you can wear it to church. Actually, I did this style on a Sunday and I wore it to church. You can also wear it to school. Actually, you can wear it anywhere.
I'm not the type's gotta have someone. I'm not the type's gotta be in love. I had a lot of people come and go, and plus anyway, I'm used to being solo. But it was good when you came to me. You were the one to make me believe that life could be better.
When I was done wrapping the first piece of hair, it wasn't neat at all, as you guys can see. So I went ahead to take another piece of braiding hair and I started wrapping it around the same way I wrapped the first braiding hair. There are no rules in making hair, guys. Just do what you're comfortable with.
Me smile. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place. Can't relate to where I'm going, but I can take it anywhere, you know it. Oh, you make me laugh. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place. Get your clothes and let's take a drive. True love's coming back.
When I was done wrapping the braiding hair around my ponytail, I went ahead to use the Got2b blasting spray to secure the hair. It's not necessary, it is not necessary, but I just, because I have it, so I just used it. So guys, that's it. And after that, I went ahead to accessorize my hair. Also, this is not necessary, guys. I'm just being extra, just being me.
You make me smile. You like good food. You from that place. You from my place. Can't relate to where I'm going, but I can take you anywhere you know. Anywhere you wanna go. You make me laugh. You like good food. You from that place. You from my place. We be eating hamburgers and fries. We be up watching movies all night. We ain't riding on 22s. We saving our money. We saving our money. Yeah. We be eating ice cream and cake. We going through life like it's our birthday. Riding on 22s. We saving our money. I'm saving our money. Yeah. Can't relate to what I've been through. So baby, I'm glad I found you. You make me smile. You like good food. You're from that place.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, comment down below to let me know how I did, and also share my video with family and friends. Until next time, bye.